How to redeem Tory Burch gift card online. Hey everybody, this is Nina from Create Login Delete. So today let's get started. Open up your web browser in your PC and at the top search bar type in toryburch.com and click on enter. Just like so, you will land onto its official website. Now make sure that you are logged into your particular account. Once you are logged into your account, select any items that you would like to purchase to redeem your gift card. Once done, go ahead and click on Review and Checkout. Once you're at this page, enter all your shipping address. And under Secure Payment, you will see Use Gift Card. Click onto that. And just like so, at this box, enter your gift card number. Once done, go ahead and click on Apply. So this is how you will be able to redeem your Tory Burch gift card online. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching and do like and subscribe to our channel to never miss an update from us.